Kinsan! Hello! No?
Hi, Laura.
Kinsan!
Coming. Maybe I'm waiting for you.
Oh, I'm so
very
sorry.
good for pork dish today.
Ooh, what
Yep.
kind of pork dish?
So Japanese style pork skewer.
Yum.
Yeah, so simmered pork, then after crispy for
Yum.
fried. So beautiful pork berries here.
Yeah. Now the rind off, so skin
Yes.
off pork belly. Beautiful.
Then cutting.
So cutting first, braising, and then we fry.
Yes,
Beautiful.
exactly.
Now, is this a traditional Japanese dish, Kinsan?
So.
Or is this just
Like
what you
this.
like to do?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's right.
Nice. And is this from your restaurant as well?
Used to be I'm doing for restaurant.
Yeah.
Like this kind of dish is I'm cooking.
Nice. I mean,
Yeah.
who doesn't love a deep fried pork skewer? I am very excited for this.
Like same as twice cooked pork.
Beautiful.
Yeah, cutting like this.
Beautiful.
Then need for fry. So like sauce pork.
Yep. Pork goes in.
Yes.
And so we're going to
Yeah.
braise this down.
Yes. Using sugar.
Yep.
Depends for how much for you like sweet taste.
Okay. So
And
all to
normal-
taste.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Like a teriyaki. Maybe 3 or 4.
Nice and sweet.
Yeah. Then
Love it. Beautiful. Some sake.
too. Sake is about
Now,
4.
cooking sake, not the sake that you drink, because that stuff's too expensive, isn't it?
Yeah. So, but in Japan, not much using cooking sake.
No?
But
Okay.
sake, but expensive, but easy to using for cooking
Yes.
sake better. Yeah.
Beautiful. And some soy. And then you've also got some ginger over here, don't you?
Yes.
So we're almost creating like a beautiful little master stock of some description. So all the flavors, the soy, the sake, ginger,
Yep.
and water.
Water.
Beautiful. So you're going to place
Okay.
this on the stove, and how long are you going to cook this one for?
20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yep. Yep.
Beautiful.
So maybe you come in.
Yes?
So to restaurant.
Yes, I would
Yeah,
love to.
okay.
All right, let's go. We'll see you soon. Come. All right, Kinsan, let's check on this pork.
Good. So enjoy for restaurant.
Yes, I'd loved
Okay,
it.
good,
How long
good.
have you been there for?
About 5 years now.
5 years.
Yes.
Wow.
Lots of regular
So a bit
customers
of
coming.
a market master, one would say. So now you're
So-
just draining the pork.
Yes.
Beautiful.
For pork is if well as ready.
Yes.
So very good flavor for coming from ginger.
Yes.
Yeah, ginger
And the
flavor is
soy.
so good.
Yeah, I agree.
Like a master stock, isn't it?
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly like a master stock. So
So,
all the flavor.
Yes. So after, so drain and a little bit for take off for watery.
Yes.
Then put in the corn flour.
Corn flour.
Yep.
Yep.
So then deep fry.
And so you're going to dry this completely because we really want the pork just to coat the flour. We don't want it to absorb. We want it
Exactly.
just to hold that coating around it. So it goes really, really crispy when we fry it.
So temperature is about 170 or 180.
Yes.
So already, of course, this pork is already cooking.
Yes,
But,
correct.
not too much cooking.
No, so all we're doing is just quickly frying it to get it really, really crispy.
That's right.
Beautiful. All right, Kinsan, so now that you've coated all the pork, I reckon it's time to deep fry.
Yes.
And then I get to sit back and enjoy them. They
On top?
look incredible.
Thank
now the
you.
sauce, we can't forget about the
Okay.
sauce. I'll
Yep.
give you all the things.
So today using for a Kewpie mayonnaise.
Kewpie.
So, yeah,
Yep.
Kewpie mayonnaise is normal mayonnaise.
Yes.
And like kind of a wasabi mayonnaise.
Ooh.
And also yuzu mayonnaise.
Yes.
And chili mayonnaise. But
Nice.
today we're using for wasabi.
Wasabi.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Now you want me to put a nice amount in
Yes.
there? Lots of Kewpie. I love Kewpie. This is like one of the best mayonnaises ever. Like that?
Yep.
Beautiful.
Then little bit soy sauce.
Oh my gosh. That looks
good and the taste is
incredible.
good too.
We'll put that one there.
Ah, great dish.
That is
Pork skewer. Japanese pork skewer.
delicious pork skewers. Stop
Thank
underselling
you.
it. This looks amazing. I'm going to eat a little one here just to make sure we can serve them.
More tasty. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Mayonnaise and soy sauce so good matching. Yeah. So not only like this dish, any dish, mayonnaise and so you can don't forget mayonnaise and soy sauce.
The ginger in that pork
Yes.
is so beautiful, and you can taste all the flavours from that master stock. This is a beautiful dish. If you haven't been down already, come and visit these guys at Washoe. It is a beautiful Japanese restaurant here in the Prahran markets.
Thank you.